before COVID. Anytime I saw something like that, I would always stop.
Yeah.
But
there's a lot of weirdos too.
There is.
Somebody get a back seat and stab both of us in the neck.
I had dreams about that too. But yeah, I gotta get back in the habit of that.
Yeah.
You see somebody in a situation like that, you don't just drive past.
Yeah.
You got a little 3-year-old kid in a stroller and what is it, 32 degrees outside, raining?
Yeah, raining. That kid's
rain.
that kid's gonna get hypothermia, him and that kid.
And every single person in the city just driving right past them.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what this world is coming to.
Yeah. There's a special place in hell for people. He been better off catching a bus back downtown and then catching the Taste Creek bus. So the bus stop right down the street but he still have to walk all the way down the street in this cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. Instead of trying to foot it. Yeah. He like, yeah.
That couple I ended up talking to on the balcony, the ones that bought me the beer.
Yeah.
I was telling them, I was like, well, I did get to drink a little bit before, but I didn't drink as much as I wanted to because I ended up having to give all my beers to this kid. And they heard me say kid, and they were like, kid? Are you serious? Why would you do that? I was like, no. He's like 30. I call him, he's younger than me. I call him a kid.
Yeah.
They thought I was actually over there like giving beers to homeless kids.
Yeah. They look at black people like that.
Yeah. Like, why wouldn't you just give me the benefit of the doubt that I was talking about, somebody younger than me, kid?
Yeah. And then all you had was black sunglasses, black reading glasses.
Yeah.
And they want to talk that Caucasian shit.
Yeah. That's why, somebody walked by and was like, anybody know where the marijuana is or whatever? And I was like, I thought they were talking to me. He was like, wow. I was like, you'd be surprised how many times I get asked that question with these sunglasses on.
Yeah.
Everybody just thinks I'm a thug or something.
Yeah.
No, I just have light sensitivity and I'm blind.
Yeah.
So, sorry. No, I don't know where it is.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was funny. The woman looked horrified. She was like, did you really do that?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Oh, kid. No, he's like 30. He's almost 10 years younger than me. I call him a kid.
Yeah.
If I was almost driving while you were still playing with toys, you're a kid.
Yeah.
To me. Period. Burger.
Do you get Mike something too?
No.
I figured you would get him some breakfast. I know, y'all be tight and everything.
around using their phone.
Yeah.
Scares me to death doing it just like this.
Yeah.
I've seen people just on their phone the whole time they're driving, every time they're driving.
The Shamar Taffer does it, just be steadily on their phone texting and stuff.
I don't even understand how you can do it.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Can you order me a root beer?
Yeah.
That's all I want. I guess one root beer won't hurt. I had beans. Been eating beans and vegetables and fruit and stuff every day. And oatmeal and rice and stuff like that. I guess one root beer won't hurt. Lane.
Bitches ain't gonna let me use my points.
Presidential sweep.
I keep on meaning to stop and try their pizza.
Was it La Rosa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe now's a good. Maybe they have a menu that you can drive around. They probably ain't got a drive-through, do they?
I think they might have a drive-through. Not sure. It look like, I don't know, maybe they don't. It just look like you drive around. I don't know. Nah, I don't think they got a drive-through. They might though. We got them hurricane rains from Florida yesterday and today.
Yeah, and as soon as you hit Scott County, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like only on top of Lexington.
Yeah.
As soon as I passed up the Scott County line, you can see the blue sky and the sun coming up and all that.
Yeah.
I was like, wow. Everybody but us got good weather.
Yeah.
Louisville was nice.
Yeah.
Everything from Scott County to Louisville was beautiful.
Yeah.
Just here, looking nasty.
Oh, yeah. They just took a shit on us and a piss. Yeah, some of them people on TikTok said, don't go outside. They said, don't go outside, we know where you hang. I said, I don't videotape everywhere I hang, I just videotape some of the places I hang. They said, I'm gonna send somebody on that bus and knock you out. I said, these motherfuckers, I said, they ain't gonna send nobody all the way down here. I said, they talk that gangster shit like they really about that life. Yeah. Trying to put scare tactics in somebody. I'll be talking shit back to him. Yeah. Cause I make videos on the bus and at the library and stuff. So they know I'll be at the library on the bus. Yeah. And then the chick, her daughter came on and said, I'm gonna find you and fuck you up. I'm gonna bring my girl squad, we gonna jump you. She said, you keep talking to my mama like that. I said, your mama's a damn liar. Always on there lying out her ass, talking about she a Christian. Steadily lying about shit. Cold devil. The roaster. Don't jump out there. Old man would have got hit by the sun. Boom.
When I thought my transmission was going out, I was thinking about that hardcore. I was like, all these times when people do stupid driving stuff, and I dodge them, and I was like, I need to just not dodge people anymore. Go ahead and smash into these dummies and get my full coverage activated. Give me a new car.
Yeah.
There's so many times I've just avoided accidents and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Just reflexes kick in and I can't help myself.
Because people just be jumping out there. When you come just jumping out there, you got to put on your brakes and everything. Oh, yeah, this right here.
Yeah, those things.
Yeah.
Look at him.
People just be jumping out there in a rush and got to put on your brakes all hard and everything. And, yeah.
It's like, yeah, one of these times I just need to just tell my reflexes to stop.
Yeah.
Let me smash those people.
Yeah.
Daddy need a new car.
Oh, yeah.
I've been paying for this full coverage for...
They'll probably blame it on you, though. Like they did them
last
dread,
time.
them dreadhead
And
chicks.
them girls flirted their way
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
Had the cops falsify a police report.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was funny. But yeah, I hate insurance almost as much as I hate anything on this earth.
Yeah.
Like there should be some sort of option where you get, like, you know how when you pay taxes and you pay too much, they give you a tax refund. That's what you get every year. You get your tax refund.
Yeah.
They should have an insurance refund where you've paid for so many years and you haven't gotten to use it or anything like that. They should have to pay you back a certain amount.
Yeah.
I've just been sitting here paying into full coverage for God knows how long.
Yeah.
Never got to use it.
Yeah.
Oh, where am I going? Yeah, I was going to stop it. Burger's the king.
Ernie Spirit. Yeah, they got a lot of liquor stores in these white neighborhoods too. I be riding the bus. I'm like, but they say there's a liquor store on every hood, on every corner.
Mm-hmm.
They got them in these white neighborhoods too. Yeah, right there downtown by freaking Chevy Chase Plaza on the Kroger Liquor and Spirit, and then the freaking
It's different types of liquor. They got classy liquor stores with other useful things inside of them. Our liquor stores got bars on the at the cash register, and all you can buy is malt liquor and stuff like that.
What they got, like some type of healthy liquors with herbs and shit in it?
Wine and spirits, right?
Oh, okay.
So it's a lot of wines and fancy stuff in there too.
Oh,
it's not
okay.
like a liquor store, like, oh, we just got liquor and beer.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it's a little bit, and then Walgreens and CVS.
But it's still, if you drink it, it's unhealthy.
Yeah, but wine is actually good for you in a lot of ways.
Yeah.
I mean, the right amount of beer is actually good for you.
Yeah.
The right amount of anything.
But if you got them in white neighborhoods and black neighborhoods, if they drinking beer or liquor, they're gonna get addicted, and then they're doing overdo it like everybody else.
I'm in the wrong lane. I forgot I was in the wrong lane again. I'm so stupid. But guess what? It doesn't matter. I can go around. And this way I get there faster. There's that Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Me and Mike had this argument last time I was over here. I was like, there ain't no damn Chick-fil-A right here.
Yeah.
We go to that old Charlie's all the time. I've never seen that Chick-fil-A in my life.
Yeah.
I never noticed that Chick-fil-A was there. I was like, is it new? He's like, no, it's been there for ever since y'all. I was like, seriously?
Yeah.
So evidently I've driven past, sat in front of, ate in front of that Chick-fil-A and never knew it was there. I just be blocking stuff out of my visual cortex. I'm like, I don't want to care about that. Stuff just disappears. Let's see what we got for a deal.
Hello, welcome to Burger King. What can I give you?
You guys got any good deals right now?
We have the 2 for $6, the $5 your way meal, the 2 for $10.
Okay.
That's about it.
Dopeness. Oh, there's the $5 your way.
It's junior barbecue bacon junior with the nuggets, fry, and a drink.
Okay. Shit.
You go ahead and order me one. I eat one.
Order what?
Two for something. Whatever he said at 2 for something.
I ain't even feeling the 2 for 10.
Oh, okay.
I guess I'll just do a number 2 with Barks root beer.
The number 2 is, you say barbecue?
With Barks root beer.
Barks root beer.
And
Would you like to upsize the meal?
Yeah, make it a large.
Do you want cheese on the sandwich?
Nah, but can I get it with extra pickle, extra mayonnaise, regular mustard?
Anything else?
And yeah, I guess that's all.
1 double Whopper meal, $11.76. First one, please.
Thank you. just use my app. I got it cheaper, but fuck it.
You doing alright today?
Yeah, how you doing, bro?
Yeah, doing good.
You had a double Whopper, heavy mayonnaise, add mustard, heavy mayo, large fry, and a large root beer?
Yep.
That'd be $11.76. Got Apple Pay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Need a receipt?
No, I'm good.
Alright, y'all have a good one.
All right, you too.
He's like, fuck me. Yeah. Trying to get something.
Oh, I thought you were just saying if I wanted to. You want me to order you
Large
something?
root beer?
Yeah.
Yeah, large root beer.
Yeah, can you order me something?
What do you want?
Whopper.
And can I add a Whopper to that? Just a regular Whopper?
Double Whopper meal?
Yeah.
You say you wanted to add a Whopper?
Yeah.
You want cheese on it?
You want cheese on it?
No.
No.
Yeah, cheese, yeah.
cheese on it.
$5.93. Cash card?
Apple Pay.
Hold on. You got all your drink specs?
Yeah.
Root beer, yeah.
If you could pull into that first parking spot right there. Thank you.
Oh, they're pulling off. You want me to just pull right here?
Oh, yeah. Please, thank you.
Yeah.
I guess a little meat and cheese every now and then won't hurt. Probably good for you every now and then. Yes, sir. "23 minutes in." Shit, man, you got the life, don't we? I wish somebody would donate me $1 million so I could get a mansion. Not a mansion. I mean, a 3-bedroom like Troya, a big house like Troya. Oh, a mansion. You go bankroll with a mansion. Wish they donate me $1 million. Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
That is a double Whopper, right?
Mm-hmm.
And another
Whopper?
Okay. Thank you.
What's up?
Double Whopper. Curiosity killed the cat.
Well, I guess that still helped a few people during COVID. That old
Yeah.
man who was basically laying on the side of the road.
Oh yeah, the one that couldn't make it all the way down the
From
street by Marathon. Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
I had those dudes who had flat tires on their obviously stolen bikes.
Yeah.
And I helped them.
I should have helped that old lady that couldn't walk. She jumped in the front of cars trying to get somebody to drive her down the street. Nobody would help her.
Nah, I tried to help that old lady and she wouldn't take a ride.
Yeah, I should have went back.
She had the little roller thing or whatever.
Yeah, the roller thing when you walk with the wheels on it. Yeah.
I stopped and tried to help her. And
I should have went and got a buggy and let her stand on the buggy. If she probably wouldn't have the grip strength to hold on to it.
She acted like I was trying to kidnap her or something.
Yeah, right.
She was waiting for a nice white person to stop and help her.
Yeah.
But Yeah, I remember seeing her down right where I turned into Kroger right there.
Yeah. By the diabetes center, yeah.
And she looked like she was having trouble, so I stopped and was like, "Hey, can I give you a ride somewhere?"
Yeah.
She just looked at, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
She rather die than
Yeah.
accept help from a black person.
Keep on hobbling.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be thinking, man, if I end up in bad straits whenever I'm old, I'd hope this. But you know what? I'm probably just doing it, and nobody's ever going to do it for me.
Yeah.
I would mess around and hit retirement, not have enough to survive on.
Yeah.
Be out there walking like some of these old people.
We had to get a efficiency apartment, man.
That's the dude I work with right there.
I go ahead and wipe your ass, get you sponge baths, I put you on the diet so I can pick you up, put you in the bathtub.
I just take a long dive into a shallow puddle if I ever get there.
Yeah.
We used to have cultures where old people had the decency to know when to take themselves out if they were a burden.
Yeah.
Now they just want to hold on
Yeah.
as long as they can.
Yeah.
Like, nah. Go ahead and take yourself some beef jerky and a good book and hop out on that big piece of that piece of ice out there and push yourself off into the ocean.
Yeah.
Get out of everybody's way.